Hey y'all, Nickie Brown here. No matter where you are, what part of the world you're in, I hope that you're having a good day. So today I decided to check out one of my favorite stores in Lithonia, Black Dot Bookstore and Cultural Center. And then for me, what I think is the best vegan restaurant in Atlanta, Green Love Kitchen, is right next door. Yes. So come check both of them out. And inside, let's walk inside. Hi. See, they greet you when you come in the store. Look, I'm not going to record for too long because I don't want this music. I don't know if you can hear the music in the background. And then outside Green Love, you can sit and enjoy your food. Oh, they're closed. Oh, we can peek inside. I think they went to take the baby to school. Well, she's not a baby. I think they went to take their daughter to college. So that's probably why they're closed. All right, y'all. Love y'all. Later. Mwah.